Hey guys, I went for my art check a few days back and I saw this flower shop. I've been wanting to buy flowers so I can try my hands at flower wrapping. To elevate your flower wrap, consider adding decorative accents like ribbons or personalized tags. This adds a thoughtful and unique element to your gift. So I got my stuff out, pretty wrap papers and ribbons. I always like receiving flowers, but the thing I liked more about flowers was their arrangement. I tend to dry my used flowers and above Feb, the month of love, and showing appreciation to the people you love. The place I live is getting less chilly and it gives me a hope of warmer days ahead. As we step into spring, nature begins to awaken from its winter slumber. Flowers unfold their petals, trees start to bud, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of blossom. It's a visual and olfactory fest that never fails to lift the spirits. It was a really satisfying feeling to remove these flowers from wrapper. In the garden of dawn, where dreams take flight, awakens a symphony, soft petals ignite. Spring's tender embrace, a canvas of hues, flowers unfold, whispering morning news. Beneath the azure sky, a dance begins, petals parade as the sun warmly grins. Cherry blossom blush in the zephyr's embrace, nature's own poetry, a delicate grace. Robins sing sonnets on branches so high, a lyrical duet with the azure sky. Tulips stand tall, their colors ablaze, a vibrant salute to the sun's warm gaze. Birds unfold secrets, a tale to be told, of winter's retreat and a world to behold. Daisies and daffodils, a chorus in tune, announcing the arrival of spring's sweet monsoon. The air is painted with fragrant delight, a kaleidoscope of petals takes flight. In the garden of renewal, where life takes wing, a tapestry of blooms and eternal spring. So let us wander through meadows aglow, where flowers whisper secrets only they know. In the embrace of spring, where love is the key, blossoms of renewal and ode to the free. I really like the second flowers. It's called gerbera. I had to Google that obviously. They look pretty, but it gives a sense of a soft, innocent love that remind me of people falling in love for the first time. I really like the stem of these flowers to really go well with the color of this flower. I got this idea from a picture of flowers arrangement. Having a little bag of flowers is kinda cute. I have made a longer version of this video. You can check that out. I think doing something mindfully can give you peace of mind, about Zen. They incorporate it in their daily lives. I would like to know about the type of meditation or mindful technique you guys use. I have been practicing one combining chants and breathwork. I feel like my mind works well with chanting rather than just focusing on your breath. Because I feel myself more engaged while I'm chanting, I can take up more practices, but I feel like for me it just confuses and distracts me more when I can't keep up with all the things I want to do. However, I have seen even you do just one thing, you can really feel the change in yourself. My friends have told me I have become calmer. Before, my thoughts used to be all over the place.
street to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
It's a time for growth and new beginnings.
Rise like
Just like the flowers that bloom after a long winter, spring reminds us that life is a continuous cycle of change and rebirth.
it's young, and it's just
Spring teaches us to embrace change with open arms. Just as the seasons transform, so do we. It's an opportunity to shed the old, embrace the new, and cultivate a mindset of growth. Spring invites us to step outside and immerse ourselves in the beauty of the season. Whether it's a leisurely walk in the park, a picnic with loved ones, or simply enjoying the warmth of sun. These activities connect us with the energy and vitality that spring brings. As we welcome the start of spring, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Whether it's blooming flowers, the warmer temperatures, or the sense of renewal in the air, spring is a reminder that life is a journey filled with growth and possibilities. Take a moment to reflect on your own journey and consider the positive changes you can make in your life. I don't know the name of this white flower, so fill me in with comments. Let me fill you in with the rose fact that all varieties of roses are edible. I got to know this through Google. I have tried a sweet pickle of roses myself when I was a kid.
the moonlight, summer sky. It was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever.
I thought stamping it would be a very cool idea, and it turned out so well. It gives it a vintage and more sophisticated look.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
I got my wax beds
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
from my tiny bottle.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And heated it up. Put it on to stamp it, and it turns out with a beautiful fairy tale castle. Now this bag with pretty flowers is completed. I gifted it to my friend who I go to gym with. She liked it and I'm just happy about that. See you soon.